The Selkirk 283870 Type L Pellet Kit provides a well-engineered through-the-wall venting solution specifically tailored for pellet stoves. Its 3-inch diameter components create a consistent, reliable exhaust path that helps pellet appliances burn efficiently and safely. The kit is thoughtfully packaged with the adapter, wall thimble, T with cleanout, multiple straight sections, elbow, strap, and cap, so most homeowners have everything needed for a horizontal run in one box. Installation is straightforward for experienced do-it-yourself users because the pieces fit together cleanly and are clearly intended for horizontal wall penetration rather than a complicated roof route. The included cleanout tee and horizontal cap make ongoing maintenance easier, allowing ash and residue to be accessed and vented without dismantling the entire system. Selkirk's long-standing reputation in venting hardware gives this kit an added level of confidence for handling pellet stove flue temperatures within the specified limit.